Healthy bed for a happy nation. So we have here, we are going organic today. This is we have, what do we have here? What are the things we have here?
We have turmeric,
okay,
garlic, and ginger.
Turmeric, garlic, ginger. Okay. I thought we still have rosemary. We have oregano. We have black pepper. Okay, that is good. So we are going to be adding this to the bitter leaf. We are going to add this to bitter leaf mixture. We want to blend all together. We will get bitter leaf as well, and also I will fill you in. You shall not be lost in anything you do. God bless you. Have a nice day. We'll blend this now and we'll give to the guests. Good day, my people. Healthy bed for a happy nation. Today is our organic day, as I told you in my previous video. So this is scent leaf, and this is bitter leaf. So what are you going to do to this now?
Okay, I'll wash and sieve the water. I'll squeeze the water and
okay, okay, that means you are going to squeeze them, blend them, and extract the water out from it, and add it to the other mixture you blended. What did you blend before? Garlic, ginger, and turmeric. Okay, so here we still have a black pepper here, and we have this is oregano, and this is rosemary. So this will be applied to their feet. This one will be applied to their feet, but this will be applied to their water. Yes. Okay, that is how it's done. In my next video, I will show you when we